Chapter 18, How to Get Eyeballs on Your Offer, Free and Paid Traffic Explained. You can have the best product, the most persuasive sales page, and the perfect price. But if nobody sees it, you won't make a single sale. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. In simple terms, traffic just means people visiting your website, landing page, or online store. More eyeballs usually mean more opportunities to sell, but not all traffic is created equal. The key isn't just getting more visitors, it's getting the right visitors. People who are actually interested in what you offer and likely to take action. Broadly speaking, there are two main ways to get traffic: free, often called organic, and paid. Free traffic comes from people finding you naturally, through search engines, social media, word of mouth, or your content being shared. Paid traffic is when you spend money to put your offer in front of people, usually through ads. Both can work extremely well, and the best online businesses often use a mix of both. Let's start with free traffic. This is the long game. It usually takes more time to build up, but it can keep delivering results for months or even years after you've done the work. One of the most common sources of free traffic is search engine optimization, which is about creating content that ranks high in Google when people search for keywords related to your offer. For example, if you sell fitness programs, you might write articles or create videos targeting searches like best at-home workouts or how to lose weight without a gym. When done well, SEO can bring in a steady stream of highly targeted visitors without you having to pay for every click. Social media is another major source of free traffic. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn can help you reach huge audiences if you create content that resonates and gets shared. The upside is the potential for rapid exposure if something you post goes viral. The downside is that social media algorithms can be unpredictable and your reach can drop if the platform changes its rules. That's why it's smart to use social media to attract attention, but then guide people to something you control, like your website or email lists. Referral traffic is another form of free exposure, and it happens when other people send their audience your way. This could be through guest appearances on podcasts, collaborations with other creators, being featured in articles, or simply having customers share your offer with their friends. Building relationships with other people in your niche can open doors to these kinds of opportunities. Now, let's talk about paid traffic. This is the fast lane. When you run ads, you can start getting targeted visitors within hours instead of waiting weeks or months. Platforms like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and TikTok ads let you target people based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. This precision means you can put your offer in front of exactly the kind of person who's most likely to buy. The advantage of paid traffic is speed and scalability. If your ads are profitable, you can increase your budget and get more results quickly. The downside is that it costs money. And if your ads or your offer are not set up well, you can burn through your budget without making sales. Paid traffic works best when you have a clear funnel, a series of steps that guide people from seeing your ad to taking action, whether that's buying immediately or joining your email list so you can follow up. The smartest approach is often to combine both. You can use paid traffic to get quick wins and test your offer, while bundling free traffic sources in the background for long-term stability. For example, you might run Facebook ads to promote a lead magnet, like a free guide, that grows your email list, and at the same time, publish SEO-friendly blog posts and videos that bring in free traffic over time. Eventually, your organic traffic can reduce your reliance on ads, but you'll still have the option to scale up quickly when you want to. It's important to remember that traffic by itself isn't the goal. It's what happens after people arrive that matters. If your landing page doesn't convert, even the best traffic won't help. That's why traffic strategies go hand in hand with good copywriting, clear offers, and strong calls to action. Getting eyeballs on your offer is a never-ending process in online business. Trends change, platforms rise and fall, and the ways people discover new products evolve. But as long as you understand the difference between free and paid traffic, how to use both effectively, and how to focus on attracting the right people rather than just more people, you'll be able to keep your business growing no matter what.